Are dental implants painful? Let's talk about it. Hi, my name is Jeffrey Butts, and I'm a doctor of dental surgery, and I have over 15 years of experience in serving my community in their oral health journey. I'm also the owner of Camp Creek Dental right here in Atlanta, Georgia, and this channel is all about health and wellness for you to be healthy and wealthy. And today we are talking about the question, is it gonna hurt, right? Okay, that's a great question. It is a common question, but I really wanna help you know better, all right? So, for some people, just the thought of something being surgically placed in their mouth just absolutely drives them crazy, and it's very, very intimidating. And it's really natural to be anxious, all right? But how true are these claims? Does it really hurt, all right? Well, if you've been putting off getting dental implants because of fear or misinformation, this video's for you, okay? We're gonna dive into what really happens during the implant procedure and how you can manage any discomfort, all right? First, let's just address the big question, which is the obvious one. Is getting dental implants painful, all right? Well, the answer is surprisingly no. It's actually more painful just pulling a tooth, one of your natural teeth, than actually getting an implant. Why? A natural tooth is in our mouth, and it's on like a shock absorber. It's a system of fibers that go from the bony crypt that holds the root in place, and the fibers go into the tooth. And when you get that removed, you never really pull the tooth. All you do is you break those fibers, but the teeth can have some sensitivity still, even under anesthesia, and that can be uncomfortable for some people, as opposed to if the tooth is already gone, all you have is the ridge, which held the tooth in, but the tooth is gone, and the gums that hold, or the gums over the ridge. In an implant procedure, I get you numb, and that the gums that are over that bony ridge are the only place where you'd feel anything. Once we get the gums numb, then it's just the ridge it has no sensitivity to anything. Now, you can feel vibration and pressure, yes, because those are the things that anesthesia actually does not stop, but it does stop pain, right? So you won't really feel any pain during surgery. You might feel some pressure or vibration as we work, but then the area will be completely numb, all right? Some patients even report that procedure is less uncomfortable than having a tooth extracted, which is just the true statement because of all the things that the teeth have in them that give them the feeling that they have, okay? So what happens when the anesthesia wears off, all right? It's a normal experience to feel some discomfort and swelling for a few days afterwards, right? But I'm with you. I'm with you as your tooth fairy flying around your head in the form of a pill. And you take my medicine, and this medicine will get you out of the woods, no problem, okay? But it's really similar to what you might feel after other kinds of dental experiences or dental procedures, all right? This is basically your body's natural healing process at work. That's what swelling does. The swelling brings the cells that need to build bone and heal to the area where we did the work, and the swelling itself is what can be uncomfortable, but we manage that with over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen, all right? Many people fear that the recovery process is long and painful, but that's really just another myth that we're here to bust, okay? Most patients are pleasantly surprised how quickly they heal and how little pain they actually experience. You can expect to return to normal a day or two after the procedure. As you continue to heal, any discomfort will continue to decrease. So, let's talk about the benefits of getting a dental implant. And that absolutely outweighs any temporary discomfort, all right? Dental implants are designed, first of all, to be a long-term solution. They provide stability and function that's closest to the natural teeth that we have come up with so far. They help preserve your ridge that held the tooth in that we're replacing with the implant, and they also maintain your facial structure. This is going to give you your confidence to eat, smile, speak without worrying about dentures slipping out of your mouth or teeth shifting. For all of those that have dealt with ongoing discomfort and ill-fitting dentures or the frustration of missing teeth, the temporary discomfort of dental implants is a small price to pay for the lasting comfort and improved quality of life that they offer. It's also important to remember that every patient's experience is absolutely unique. Some people may experience more discomfort than others, depending on factors like their pain tolerance and the complexity of the procedure, how well they take care of themselves before the procedure and after the procedure. I actually did a video of what you can do if you plan to get a dental implant, what you're gonna do before and what you're gonna do afterwards, all right? But please check out that video. We're gonna put it up somewhere around here right now, okay? But that's why it's so important to work closely with your dentist and communicate any concerns you have during the recovery process, all right? Guys, dental implants is the best solution for replacing your teeth. And we here at Camp Creek Dental only use advanced techniques and equipment to make sure that that process for you is, first of all, digital, it's fast, and it's comfortable, okay? The benefits are strong, natural-looking teeth that function and last a lifetime, and that is well worth it, okay? If you've been hesitant to explore dental implants because of fear, I hope this video has helped you maybe ease your concerns, right? And don't let the myths or what somebody else says to you say that that's exactly what's going to happen to you. Don't let fear stop you, because fear can be an acronym of false evidence appearing real. So don't worry about that, guys, okay? Come see us at Camp Creek Dental. Let's talk about what we can do for you, and we're gonna be great, all right? Thank you so much for watching this short little video with us, okay? Please like and subscribe, all right? Please hit the bell icon for more notifications and tips when we keep giving it to you. And you guys keep being beautiful and keep being healthy. Thank you so much for subscribing and helping our channel grow and getting the message out, how we care about your health and wellness, all right? We're gonna talk about a couple other little things a little bit later.